come here to give condolences from Governor Simba.
Iga kurang mara kota se familia Nsaga kwa somos ke Governor Simba.
Governor Simba is in Nairobi attending meetings.
Governor Simba Nairobi yare asemele ore mikutano roro.
Mheshimiwa Nsaga is not my friend.
Mheshimiwa Nsaga tani musani wa first lady.
By the time he sent me to Kisii, I was only going to attend the burial for the late chief Zablo. I had refused to come here because I told him, how do you want me to attend a praise? I know Nsaga has a problem with him. But he told me either good or bad. Those are my people. Either Nsaga likes me or not, he's my MCA. I had to come here. I've seen a lot of people beat in politics. I have just come to more and give the message from government. I don't want to respond to anyone. I can see Mheshimiwa Boss and Muracha has their differences in assembly. Let them go and fight in the assembly. Allow me to give the contribution from the governor. Yesterday, governor had sent 40,000. He has also given 20,000 for the family today. 10,000 for Amachuma. And 10,000 for the father. Now that the middle majority has requested for the uniform for the choir, I will give 20,000. These people, now I'm talking about this Papo. And I've seen the children here has done a wonderful job, the PNC. I will give you 5,000 from Governor Simba. And all these people here, I will leave the leader of majority with 200,000. So that we can go home and buy one wrap for Christmas.